Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basics, and today I'm going to show you how to download one bank application in minutes. Alright, let's get started. Grab your phone or tablet and open your App Store. Depending on your device, it will be either the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in One Bank. You should see the official One Bank app appear. Look for the One Bank app logo to make sure you got the right one. Tap on the app icon and you should see a blue button that says Install. Just tap on it. The app will download and install automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or some minutes. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the app. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded and launched the One Bank app. Now you can explore all the features it has to offer and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on my content. Thanks for watching.